Did you play with Play-Doh as a child? If so, you're going to love this new Play-Doh Blooms Blush Flower Bouquet Making Kit. Let's look at everything that comes inside. I'm so excited. This is definitely going to be more than just Play-Doh and a couple of flower molds. You get everything you need to create and display an entire bouquet. And the instruction booklet is very clear and it walks you through everything step by step with photos. So of course you're going to get a good amount of Play-Doh and look at all of these pretty shades of pink, ranging from a light pink, if this is kind of a neon pink, to a medium pink. Here's the finishing spray. This is what you're going to spray on your flowers at the end. These green pieces are going to go on the base of the blooming tool where all of the flower making pieces will be assembled. Here are the plastic pieces that are going to be used to create the different bloom shapes, and they all snap together so you can change the combination depending on the flower that you're making. You also get these greenery stems to fill in the bouquet. This is the plunger that you're going to use to push down through the blooming tool to make all of those petals. And that even includes this cleaning tool so you can remove any Play-Doh left inside before switching colors. Here are the stems and different flower centers. Once you've created each bloom, you're going to add one of these center pieces and attach the flower to its stem. And then here's where you stack and snap together the different pieces of the blooming pool. And this section along the bottom can also be used as a mold for making the smaller hand-shaped buds. This little organizer sits on top of the vase and helps you hold all your stems exactly where you want them. And here's the clear display vase. So that's everything inside the kit, and honestly, I'm impressed by how complete it is. You get 20 Play-Doh color sticks, all of the flower making tools, the stems, greenery, the organizer, the vase, and the finishing spray. It looks beginner friendly, but there are still so many ways to customize every flower. I cannot wait to try this out.